This demo for let you know how to using the cable box Youview to working with our IR over HDMI. Okay, here's the IR over HDMI, right? This HDMI up input, and this is for connecting to the emitter here. Okay, and the other end is here. HDMI output to here, your monitor or your TV, and also in this jack, right? In this jack, you need to hook up to connecting to the IR receiver cable. Okay, so let's go. So because my cable box is here, so if I press the button here, remote button here, it cannot work, right? Okay, and because the IR is what is point to point, so that's why we're using this IR receiver here. Okay, so let's go. Press. Okay. And I press then this home. See, right now it's working. And let's see, can it working with the HDMI or not? Okay. And let's go. What we can play this one. BBC, so it's working. Okay, then let's go to the Netflix. Here I have my Netflix account. Right now it's loading, okay? It takes time. And this is me. Let's say I want to play this one. And this HD. So see, so let's do it again. If I plug the IR, so it's not working. Even I press many times, it's not working. So if right now I using the IR receiver here, and I press what? I press stop. They stop. Play is play. Stop is stop. Play is play. Then what else? Let's say here, information. Okay, so the conclusion is for our IR over HDMI, it can compatible with the setup box, which means this one. Okay, Youview. Later on, I will using the Sky cable box for you to see how it working. Okay, because right now the Youview and the Sky cable box is very popular in you can mark it. Okay, that's it. So let me turn it off. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Bye.